How's it going, guys? Welcome back to yet another video. Currently it is around 3:30 in the morning as I'm filming this video, but there are two very big events that have happened in the crypto market that actually make me see the markets as potentially very bullish, whereas initially I thought this would be very bearish, causing me to consider even liquidating a lot of my assets within the crypto space, simply because of the initial drastic effects that this had on the market. Yep, there are still people that, because of what just happened, still feel like the markets are dead. They're gonna just die because of this. This shows vulnerabilities within crypto. However, there's proponents of what just happened that say this is actually good for it. So let's get into it and first of all, explain what just happened. And of course, if you have not heard, if you've been living under the rock in the crypto space, Trump has released his own coin, being the Trump coin. That was actually, I believe that was Saturday. And then, what's his wife's name? Whatever his wife's name, Melania or whatever it is, she released her own coin as well. So you have both Trump and his wife releasing their own official tokens, which if you look into it, what actually happened because of that, you literally all assets almost lost 90% of their value. Now, that's over exaggeration, but a lot of assets got wrecked. A lot of crypto liquidity got swept away from high cap alts as well as, low caps as well, and just were funneled into Trump coin and funneled into the Melania Trump coin, whatever that is. So what happened was, again, just to sum it up in a gist, Trump, his wife released a coin and a massive liquidity event happened with a bunch of other altcoins that drastically destroyed those coins because it showed investors looking to make very good quick gains on those two projects, which I myself missed out on. But I'm honestly fine with that, just because I did not want to FOMO and I didn't want to get into anything that ideally would be just at a bad level. So congrats to you, those of you who are able to catch that and actually get in and profit from that. But moving forward, especially with today being the inauguration where you'll see this video, then Tuesday we'll actually have a video out regarding what the inauguration had its effect on. And my prediction is it will be pretty positive for crypto. I think crypto is going to see pretty good price action the day of the inauguration. The day after, I don't know. A lot of people see it being bearish afterwards, but I myself quite see the opposite, at least for the next couple of months still. I think we're still on for the next couple of months and potentially even for that full scale alt season. Jesse Pollock seems very bullish on crypto as well. Moving forward, coming tomorrow, being the inauguration, it's a pretty big day, and being on MLK Day as well, it's a day off for a lot of people. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens with this entire market as we approach that. But again, I wanted to bring up what its effect actually had on the market, and could those actually be drastic for the short term. And you've seen a lot of alts. I mean, Ski Mask stock went down to like 12 cents. It hit 18 cents back. So it's went literally from 12 to 18 very quickly. Other alts are seeing recoveries that are very strong as well. So it's a lot of people thought the crypto market, the bull run was over, that price action was going to be very negative even further. And at the end of the day, that really did not even happen, which is very interesting to see, to say the least, guys. It'll just be interesting to see what we see moving forward. But again, at these levels, I just kept what I had. I had already taken profits, hence why I wasn't too worried. But yeah, it's going to be interesting to see where we end up moving in the next couple of weeks. And that, of course, is what we're going to be covering. But yeah, so the implications that this could have could be very drastic on the markets, showing really how vulnerable they are to, significant events like these, pulling liquidity away from alts. And honestly, for some small alts that have not seen good, strong signs of recovery, they're probably going to be dead now. There's a lot of alts that have just gone slaughtered from these, alts or these meme coin listings from these notable figures, and I'm assuming we could see that continue, that trend. Elon Musk, maybe he'll release his own token, and if you actually look into it, guys, or a quote I like to repeat that I heard was one that basically compared the coins that have been releasing, from Trump and Melania or whatever it is, and comparing it to the currencies that we have today, being paper currency, the dollar, the $100 bill, the $10 bill, $5 bill, etc., and that has the president's face on it. Well, this is essentially a representation, a digital token that has the president's face on it. So you know what I mean? It's like a currency that they're comparing to the United States dollars. So it's interesting to see that as well. But again, just wanted to make this video to cover this topic and just to kind of say that it's very uncertain of the implications that this is going to have. Will there be implications? By far, yes. Will this be a token that is going to stay around for a very long time? I honestly couldn't tell you. We will just have to wait and see what this is ultimately going to do to the markets in the long term and even the short term. I think short term, this could be bad, but this could also be good. It's just a coin flip up in the air. We're going to see what it lands on. With that being said, I'll see you guys later.